up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Monday, August 3rd, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1. Stocks are set for a flat open as Wall Street braces for another eventful week packed with big name earnings and some key economic data. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 were both little changed in early trade as of last check. The NASDAQ futures, though, were pointing to a positive Monday start, with the tech-heavy index up by about 0.5%. On to number 2. U.S. fiscal stimulus headlines will likely be the main driver of sentiment today. Republicans and Democrats have so far struggled to reach an agreement on the next coronavirus fiscal stimulus package. Talks amongst high-level officials will continue on Monday after negotiations failed to reach a breakthrough over the weekend. The key debate that separates the two parties is the recently expired enhanced unemployment benefits, which since March paid out $600 per week to millions of out-of-work Americans. So keep your eyes on any headlines arising from those meetings as the session progresses. On to number 3. Monday will feature a number of closely watched earnings reports from a variety of companies across several different sectors. 2 of the most notable names reporting results ahead of the opening bell include Clorox and Tyson Foods. Clorox specifically, keep your eyes on those numbers, widely viewed as one of the biggest winners of the coronavirus crisis, thanks to soaring demand for its cleaning products. Results after the close this afternoon are then due from Take-Two Interactive and Virgin Galactic, just to name a couple. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest releases. On to number 4, on the data front, we get the latest U.S. ISM PMI for the manufacturing sector at 10 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. The survey is expected to show further improvement from a month earlier, with analysts expecting a reading of 53.6 in July. If confirmed, that would be the best number since April 2019. As always, you can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. And finally, number 5, in commodities, gold prices, which are up more than 25% so far this year, surged to their highest level on record in overnight trade. Prices of the yellow metal hit a session peak of $1,994 per ounce, closing in on the never-seen-before $2,000 level. It last stood at around the $1,980 mark. So that's it for me. If you don't already know, you can head over to Investing.com's app and listen to this video in podcast format. As well, don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good day, everybody.